Let's face it, when it comes to how you power your equipment, you have a lot of choices. Are you looking for reliability, power, build quality, cost of operation, fuel efficiency, ease of use? Thankfully, you don't have to settle, because when the dust does, there's only one clear choice that delivers on every level, and that's Kohler engines. Kohler began operations a century ago in central Wisconsin, USA. We were the first to bring generators and engine-powered agricultural equipment to market, and we've built upon that legacy of experience in the 100 years since. Today, our HQ in Kohler, Wisconsin is the site of our innovation and engineering departments, the home of our research and development operations, and the hub of our parts distribution center. Kohler also fully owns and operates multiple production facilities, all located close to the markets they serve, like our gasoline engine plant in Hattiesburg, Mississippi. Hattiesburg is, in many ways, symbolic of everything we do. In fact, this American production facility operates to such a high standard for quality and safety that we were able to maintain operations even during the 2020 coronavirus pandemic without a halt in production. Because Kohler controls all facets of our R&D, QA, parts production, and manufacturing, we're able to maintain a superior level of quality and reliability. This vertical integration provides you with one of the best engines in the business, along with great service and warranties to back them up. Our skilled technicians, trained right here in-house, assemble each engine by hand. At all stages of the process, we scrutinize every part, every component, every system that goes into our end products. Quality assurance personnel then run test each engine before moving it down the line. Only then, once we're completely satisfied that we've met our own benchmarks for excellence and rigorous standard of quality, does our name go on our engines. From here, our engines are palletized for shipping factory direct to our OEM partners to be installed in their equipment, or boxed and shipped to our nationwide network of Kohler certified distributors. The end result? Perfection, performance, and an uncompromising guarantee of quality. If a Kohler engine doesn't make the grade with us, we're not going to let it get a failing grade from you. You don't cut corners, neither should your equipment. We're Kohler Engines, supplying you with the power you can count on for the next 100 years.